Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I'm sharing with you a highly requested video on my cleanup after I'm done filming all the DIYs for you guys. When I'm done after I made the balloon garland or any other project around my house for YouTube. So this video was really highly requested, so I was kind of surprised at first, but then I'm like, hey, I'm happy to do it. If you want to see it, my house is literally a canvas for me, so I go throughout the whole house. Literally practically every room has something going on. So after a while, things are accumulating, balloon garlands accumulating, other DIYs are accumulating, and it kind of stays there because I am doing like updates on things and seeing how long it would last and here and there, and then party will come up, so I would decide to leave one of the projects in place just for decoration and this and that, and bam, I have a whole bunch of DIYs and projects that I need to clean. So today is the day when I'm going to take you through the house and clean up a couple or a few things before we leave for a week. We're leaving for a week. We are celebrating our 10-year wedding anniversary. 10 years, time flies. It's unreal, seriously. And yeah, you guys, I want to come back into my house, clean canvas, and start creating again and sharing with you new videos. All right, without any further ado, you guys, if you want to see what is happening, what is going on, then stay tuned and let's go. Alrighty guys, so here I have my daughter Nicole. She's gonna be cleaning this balloon garland for me, popping. She's 5, she turned 5, yes. She's gonna be helping me popping all the balloons, and she's gonna have a little bit of fun, especially I believe with these huge ones. I would pop one too if she would let me. And I did make this balloon garland 2 weeks ago. This was my I don't know, white balloon garland with moon and stars. So now she's taking pins with pearls on top, and she is going to be having a little fun.
I'm excited.
Oh! What is left from this balloon garland. It was really fast, a couple of minutes, and it was all gone. Next project that I want to clean up are these Chinese lanterns that have been hanging here for quite a while, and I cannot wait to take them down. Na 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 na, yeah, goodbye. How I like to clean my stuff or overall the house, I love to blast music on my headphones, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting my playlist, headphones are in, and let's clean all of these lights up, and then we'll go to our Chinese lanterns. Now you guys, these guys are pretty easy. They are super easy to fold. So you just push the top of this frame that inside the bowl, push it, and take it out of those two little holes that the Chinese lanterns have, and bam, it's folded. I like to pair paper Chinese lantern with the frame that it comes in with, and then I like to pack my paper Chinese lanterns in individual bags that they came in. So every single Chinese lantern has its own bag. I think I lost a few bags throughout all of the events that I had these bulbs involved in. So I'll just pair some of the Chinese lanterns with other Chinese lanterns just to fit them into bags. These guys over here, I'm not going to clean them just because I am waiting for how long they will last. These are the Bancho balloons. I did a review on the pump and I still have them. I might take them down. No, I'll just keep them here. And yeah, we'll see how long they will last. Nicole did cut this one off so I can get rid of this one. Too bad, man. Let me show you one more project. When I go to my staircase over here, I still have this unicorn. Well, I took it down, but I had a unicorn on this beautiful, beautiful pastel balloon garland that I just, this was my last video. So I will link every single project that you've seen, every single decoration in my description under this video. If you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. So this garland, I will keep it for quite a while because it's perfect for Easter, and it's gonna be here with me for so long. We'll see how long this balloon garland will last. And I'm not even showing you my filming room. No, I'm not going to show you the filming room because it's a total mess. I need to clean, and it's not happening right now because I need to do so many other things, so it will wait just a little bit. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was something totally different, but hopefully enjoyable. Leave your questions and comments and all of the stuff in the comment section below. Every single DIY and project and backdrop and all of the stuff that you saw and you might be interested, I will link in the description below. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more of those, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you want to see actual DIYs for those things that you saw me clean, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!